In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom survey in Hubspot. 2000 FUA step by step. We'll walk through building a survey from scratch, delivering it the right way, and reviewing results so you can turn feedback into action. Start by logging into your Hubspot account and opening the Surveys tool. From the main navigation, go to Service, then select Feedback Surveys. This is your hub for creating, sending, and tracking surveys. Next, choose Create Survey. You'll see several templates like Customer Satisfaction, Net Promoter Score, and Customer Support. For full control over your questions, layout, and targeting, select Custom Survey. This approach is ideal when you need specific insights that standard templates don't cover. Now choose how you want to deliver the survey. You can send it via email, share it as a web page link, or embed it on your website. Pick the method that best fits where your audience already engages with you. For example, email works well for existing contacts, while an embedded survey may capture feedback from active site visitors. Make sure your contacts have consent to receive surveys. Customize your questions to gather clear, actionable responses. Add multiple choice for quick categorization, rating scales for measurable trends, and open text for qualitative insights. Keep it short and focused. A great starting point is to ask how satisfied someone is and what could be improved. Mix question types to balance speed and depth, and only make critical questions required. Design the survey to match your brand. Add your logo, choose your brand colors and fonts, and write a friendly thank you message that confirms their response was received. Keep contrast and font sizes accessible so the survey is easy to read on any device. Define your target audience. Choose contacts, customers, or specific lists, and refine with filters like life cycle stage or recent activity. Consider excluding people who recently received a survey to reduce fatigue and improve response quality. If you'd like, add automation. You can send a follow-up email after a response, notify your team, or create a task when someone leaves a low rating. Personalizing follow-ups builds trust and speeds up recovery for unhappy customers. Before sending, click Preview and send a test to yourself. Verify questions, formatting, branding, and every link. Test on desktop and mobile. When everything looks good, publish for web-based surveys or send for email delivery. Confirm timing and time zones if you're scheduling. Finally, return to feedback surveys to analyze results, monitor response rate, ratings, and written feedback, and use these insights to refine your next survey and close the loop with your audience.